dish.
Is this even real? This is
no, it's real.
So stunning. I'm gonna eat that later.
Yeah, exactly. We'll save this as a snack.
Yeah. Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 1 in the FabFitFun Fall Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by the lovely and talented April.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us. April is our Director of Beauty. So today we're gonna be deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
First up, we have the Mela Artisans Scalloped Edge Mango Wood Board.
Okay, I wish that I could say I made this charcuterie board. I did not. Thank you to our amazing team. This board is handmade in India from skilled artisans using sustainably sourced mango wood. I think what really makes it unique is it has the scalloped edge on the end, and it really makes your tablescape just a little bit more elevated for charcuterie or any of your serving fall hosting needs. It's 16 by 10, which makes it honestly a really good size. And it's perfect for displaying whatever treasures, hosting. It's also a very stylish gift for someone as well too. And just a note, it's not meant to be a cutting board, very much meant to be a serving board that's used to display all of your treats or goodies.
Yes, great hostess gift.
Absolutely.
So this is great for additional choice too, if you want to grab it as a gift for someone. It's definitely giving me my Nancy Meyers aesthetic that is trending right now. I just picture myself with a beautiful charcuterie board, obviously created by somebody else because I can't do it this well, but with my wine, with the girls, little gossip.
Sitting out on the porch, a little chilly.
Chef's kiss, maybe a little blanket, wink, wink. So stunning, just beautiful little details here. Next up, we have the Amika Forget Frizz Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner.
So we know that our members love a shampoo and conditioner moment. I feel like it's something that's always needed for yourself or the family, and these will deliver on that amazingness. So these will reduce frizz, leave your hair feeling smooth and sleek, and it delivers all day frizz control. It's lightweight and then also hydrates at the same time too, which is really important. It creates a protective shield that's going to shield your hair against humidity. So you're basically frizz-free, rain or shine, which I know especially in the fall season, the weather starts to get a little cooler, gets a little crazy sometimes. So this is perfect. And this is gonna be best for medium to thick, coarse and wavy and coily hair types, specifically 2A to 4C curls that are specifically prone to a little bit of frizz. And then on top of it, it has the signature Amika scent, which is amazing. It has hints of bright pink grapefruit, juicy apricot, and warm vanilla. Amika
has quickly become one of my favorite FabFitFun discovered brands. I love the blue shampoo and conditioner.
So good.
So good. Absolutely one of my favorites. But as I'm getting older, my hair is getting more and more frizzy, and I need the extra anti-frizz. So this is just my dream product.
Perfect. And there might be another product in the box that will help you as well too.
Ooh. Next up, we have the Splits 59 Gym Tote.
This is one of my favorite products, I think, in the box. It's a stylish and functional tote that's basically gonna keep all your essentials sorted and together, but it's also a perfect little just athleisure moment. It's lightweight, it has this sporty puffer design, and it transitions easily from the gym or whatever errands that you have. And it's very durable, so it's great for fitness lovers, on the go, moms, anyone who needs something that's gonna help you stay organized but also look good. And what I love is we've heard from all of you a lot that you want a bottom panel so that your tote actually stays up with all your goodies.
It doesn't
so this has a bottom panel on the bottom, and then also a ton of compartments. So it has a laptop pocket, a large inner zipper, and then on top of that, it also zips close at the top.
Again, so if it does tip over, all of your stuff
Everything's in there,
flying out.
Which is me. I'm always knocking things over.
For me, I know that having cute athleisure items helps me get motivated to get out the door, go to the gym, go on my errands afterward, and just knock everything out. This is that item for me this fall. The color is stunning.
I'm obsessed.
And the puffer,
it's so cute.
I love the puffer of it all.
It just automatically elevates your look. And then also, if you get it dirty, you can just wipe it clean too. Cleans up very nicely.
Amazing. Matching back to that beautiful burgundy color, we have the WEWOREWHAT Oversized Crewneck, and this is gonna come in small through 3XL.
So this is a comfy crew neck that has a relaxed kind of oversized silhouette that's really easy to wear. So it's perfect for lounging, it's perfect for all of your athleisure looks, and it's a fleece knit too that has that kind of like sweatshirt soft material on the inside, so you look good but also are warm and cozy as well. It has ribbed cuffs and then also ribbing at the bottom too, so it gives it a little bit of structure. And then the signature We Wore What patch that also says Wellness Club, which I think is really cute.
My fiance's family does what we call soft pants holiday dinners. Instead of everyone getting all dressed up, everyone wears like leggings or, you
need
comfy,
a little extra cozy for the big meal.
Yeah, comfy clothes, but I don't want to look like a slob while I'm there and be wearing my old tattered.
This have your perfect outfit.
Is perfect, and then I'm gonna walk in carrying
your
the
pie dish.
Charcuterie board or pie dish, which we have not told you about.
We'll talk about that in a minute.
We'll talk about it in a second. I think this is a great pick, really easy to throw on for fall, and just is gonna go with everything.
I love it.
Next, we have the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads.
This is truly one of my holy grail skincare products that we've been trying to bring to the box for quite some time, so I'm so excited that you all get to try this. So these are peel pads that are going to gently exfoliate your skin with a mild AHA that's gonna reveal just smoother, more even toned skin. But the best thing is it's not going to dry out your skin or irritate it. I love this because it's not too harsh. You can use it both day and night. And it includes 60 pads. So if you're someone that's using it day and night, this is going to last you a month. But if you're only using it in the evenings, it's gonna last you 2 months. And so basically it's one step right before you put on your moisturizer, your serum that lifts away dead skin cells and is gonna make your skin brighter and more refreshed.
Now, one of our fan favorite products is the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads.
Yes, it's a good one.
So what is the difference between those two products?
So the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads are gonna be like a once a week treatment that it's gonna be a little bit more intensive. It's really great for, again, once a week, kind of clear everything out. These are gonna be great for daily use. So again, a little bit gentler and a little bit easier to just use morning and night.
Next, we have the Sunday Citizen Snug Throw in Cherry Lacquer.
So again, we're sticking with the cherry theme, which we love. And this is made with the signature Sunday Citizen Snug fabric, which is basically this really soft cloud-like feel.
Yes.
And it's a standardized size throw, so you can throw it on the couch as an accent piece. You can also use it to snuggle up while you're watching your favorite show. And it's lightweight, machine washable, and it's Oeko-Tex certified, so basically you have peace of mind and easy to care for.
This is another item that is a wonderful additional choice item because it makes such a great gift for anybody. You don't even have to know who you're gonna give it to yet.
They will love it.
They are gonna love it. And this is the same blanket that we had before, but in a different colorway.
Exactly. We knew our customers loved it so much. You guys wanted more, so we're bringing it back in a new color.
Next, we have the Noon and Moon pie dish in cherry and taupe.
Is this not the cutest pie dish you've ever seen in your entire life?
Oh my gosh.
So this is going to elevate all of your fall baking with this beautifully designed cherry lacquer and the taupe pie dish, which Tasha is holding. Again, I wish I could say I made this pie, but I did not. It has scalloped edges, which is a little bit different than just your traditional pie dish. It's perfect for a gift and also just elevates your kitchenware collection. It's 9 inches, so perfect for a standardized pie and great for all of your hosting needs for fall.
This is so beautiful. If I walked into a party like this, I feel like all heads would turn, not for me, but for the pie.
The pie and the pie dish.
Is this even real? This is
No, it's real.
So stunning. I'm gonna eat that later.
Yeah, exactly. We'll save this as a snack.
Yeah, the colorways are so cute. If you want that pop of color, definitely grab the cherry.
But something more
neutral. If you want something more neutral that'll go with everything, the taupe is your best friend. Next, we have the MESO Goods Candelabra.
This is also a really fun item. It's handcrafted in India with sleek, high quality stainless steel and powder coated in this neutral taupe color, which is gonna go with all interiors. It's this wavy silhouette that adds a sculptural kind of modern element to any space. And what I like is that it also has these felt pieces at the bottom that's gonna keep it in place, but then also not ruin any countertops that it's on. And it really has this like heavy feel to it. It feels very nice and very expensive.
Yes.
And as you can see here, it holds 2 tapered candles, which these are actually available not in our box, but in add-ons too. So you can add these onto your box and you'll be perfectly ready for your holiday hosting moment.
I don't know what the limit on additional choice is for this, but
there is no limit.
I am about to grab as many as I can for my wedding because this is it's beautiful.
Perfect.
It's beautiful, such a great deal. Next we have the Nutrafol Clear Skin Nutraceutical.
We are so excited to bring you this iconic wellness brand in box. So this is their physician-formulated approach to healthier skin from within. If you talk to any dermatologist or anyone in skincare, they're gonna tell you that clear, beautiful skin starts from inside. And so this is a daily supplement that helps target root causes of breakouts, addressing factors like stress, hormones, which we know can wreak havoc on the skin. And this is going to reduce your blemishes, calm your redness, and improve just overall skin clarity, texture, and tone. So what you'll do is you'll take 4 of these capsules with a meal every day, and most customers see results somewhere within 4 to 12 weeks.
I've been using Nutrafol for hair for a long time. They know what they're doing, super, super effective. And we're really seeing ingestible skincare on the rise.
Absolutely.
I love that Nutrafol is jumping into that space because they know what they're doing.
Exactly, we can trust them with all of our hair, skin needs.
Next, we have a LUXE Choice. This is the Solawave 4-in-1 Skincare Wand Kit, which also comes with a Light Boost Wand Activating Serum.
And this is a spa-like treatment that you can do from the comfort of your own home. What I love about it too is it's also convenient, easy to travel with, on the go. It combines red light therapy, galvanic current, facial massage, and also therapeutic warmth for all of the visible skin benefits that you want. And so this is gonna help reduce fine lines, fade blemishes, depuff, and really lift your skin. And so, like I said, it comes with this portable case, so you can take it with you on the go, a charging cable, and then also the serum, which helps the wand glide easier on your skin so it doesn't pull and just makes it a little bit easier for you to use the treatment. This has retailed for over $200.
Now, what people really want to know with red light is, does it work?
I feel like I get this question all the time. And if you're expecting something that's just gonna work one time, no. But if you're consistent and you actually incorporate this into your routine, yes, you will see the results. Give it a little bit of time, be patient, be consistent, and you will see the results.
All right, that was everything in Customization 1. Thank you for tuning in. April, what are you going to be picking this season?
It's a really hard choice, but I think I'm gonna have to go with the ELEMIS Resurfacing Pads. Again, holy grail skincare product that is a must-have for my box.
Coming from the beauty director, that means a lot. I think even though I don't bake, this is just so cute. Oh my gosh, and the candle.
Star of the show.
The candelabra, I'm getting 17 of these.
We don't have to pick
the wedding
just one.
budget is loving me for this, yeah. Thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Fall Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.